Yo, what's good? What's going on? What up, Jay, Keegan Murphy, JK, John O, Kenny, TJP, Vero, just ain't right. Wow. What's good? I'm fucking, I'm just annoyed that I saw it, but it was already up a couple hundred points. I'll show you in a second. I just gotta make sure I'm good over here on everything. And then I gotta let the DCA gang know that I'm live. But I missed a fucking golden opportunity with gold. Pun intended. Or no pun intended. But literally. Um, Pretty fucking awesome opportunity, actually. All right. I'll show you in a second. Here we go. Screen. All right. Check this. So, this was Friday. We pumped. And then we pulled back towards the end of the day. And then the market reopened. This is the hourly chart. The market reopens today. I'm actually out playing baseball. I didn't get home till like after 4 o'clock. But look what happened. Yeah, did we wick below the 786? A little bit. 30 ticks. That's really nothing when you look at the move, the retracement, the size of the retracement. How many fucking ticks was the retracement? 565, 574 down to 870. That's 700 ticks, 70 points. And we bounced, and now so far we are up. Well, I could just go here. 866. We went from 866 and made new highs on the day to 249. Almost 400 ticks. That's a fuck ton. Now we're just kind of cucking around. Do we go higher? I don't know. The range, I feel like the range has to expand. And at this point, it looks like it may want to expand to the upside because it's right there. Alfredo. Oh, Alfred Sicoli, what up? Only Waves. TJP. Beautiful 786 pounds. Beautiful. Of course I wasn't around for it. Konija. And the Trade of 8, John, bro, the Trade of 8 app is so fucking bad. It's so fucking bad. It's not bad. It's not bad on like Safari, like on like my iPhone browser, but it still sucks. It's not even worth it. It's not worth like fucking up an order or something. Maybe only waves, maybe. I don't care which way we go. But look, we're expanding the range right now. We just made new highs. New highs. So range expanded to the upside. How much? I don't know. Because we're at a spot right here where, this is kind of like resistance. You got that. You got this, I think it's going to push through it. I don't know. I'm going to just automatically short here. 256, we just went up a little bit more. We just fucking popped. I don't need this. I don't need this anymore. I don't need this anymore. Now, next thing I do, is draw a fib from the low of today to either this high for starters or like this high. I think this was Friday's high on gold. Yeah, it was Friday's high. 575. Let me just double check that. Yeah. Just about. Yep. That was it. That was it. Look at that shit go. Like only ways, bro. Like you say, it can't sustain it, but it does. Like this is all based. All of this is happening because this news dropped. Iran gave U.S. a new proposal for reaching a deal on reopening the Strait of Hormuz and lifting naval blockade first. Blah 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 blah. It doesn't matter what. It doesn't matter about anything else at this point. Right now, the market technicals and any of that shit does not fucking matter. All that matters is headlines like this for gold and fucking the NQ and crude. And guess what? Look where the NQ is. Look where the fucking NQ is right now. Shit fucking pumped. We're up 200 points. When did the news come out? Like right when the market opened. Right when the fucking market opened. Yeah, and I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying right now there's some technical shit that goes on, but really it's like, what's the next headline going to say? You get fucking reports of fucking JD Vance canceling his trip to fucking Pakistan or whatever, and the fucking market tanks because of fucking Vance. Coach Fred, what up? Isaac. Is that Isaac? No, that's fucking Olivier. Why do I always get you confused? I don't know why. It's not you. It's because of fucking YouTube. Josh Jagasar, what up? AS. TJP, yeah, like I just said that. Konija. It will help that Trump gets his ballroom. Yeah. Yeah. Kenny, what up? You guys know that whatever happened last night is fucking utter bullshit, right? I just hope we're realizing that. Just another fucking psyop. Just another fucking psyop. Trader J, what up? Doom Lord. Yeah, I mean, very possible. It's just the timing of everything is just perfect. K9. Yep. That's why, like, my boy, like, you know, one of my first ever friend actually, like he was watching. I was on the phone with him. He's watching the fucking NBA shit last night. We're on the phone, and then it gets into we interrupt this, and he's like all into it. And it got posted in my fucking hometown fucking chat with my OG Bobby Johnson homies and shit. And I knew right away. I was like, yeah, it just sounds like a bunch of fucking bullshit. And then more shit comes out about the kid's name, and there was some fucking Twitter account. You guys know about that Twitter account that posted the dude's name, and that's the only post that was on the account. And then there's like a fucking truth from like 2025, and the same fucking keck fucking emoji or emoticon or whatever was used in the fucking truth. It's all fucking bullshit. Coach Eddie, what up? Yeah, the so-called shooter, yeah. Blackout News Network. But now they painted him like he's just some kid that went to school. They're all fucking in on it. It's all bullshit. All of it. And that's all they're going to talk about. And I'm sure somehow down the road, there's going to be some bullshit that passes where because of that incident, that staged incident, Palantir will be able to fucking like encroach on our fucking like privacy even more than they already do. You know what I'm saying? You see how this play? You see how this shit works? Blackout. Yeah. Yeah. And people just fucking fall for it, man. God, doesn't anybody learn anything? The sooner you realize everything is fucking bullshit, the better off you'll be. I don't know, because I'm the one that's considered crazy. I'm the one that's probably on a bunch of fucking lists. So look, see, we're almost at the 786. Look, this thing did go. How many more ticks did that go? We made new highs by 50 ticks almost. 45 ticks. Now, if I want to be super conservative, like that's the proper anchor. This high is the proper anchor. If I want to be conservative, but I've seen shit happen where this is the high, and then this one, and then it just keeps, you get scalping opportunity after scalping opportunity. But here we are with this anchor, the most conservative anchor. You got the 618 that we're kind of hitting our head on right now. The best trader ever. Who? Warren G. Buffett? Sean, what up? Hey, friend. Friend 2.0. You know about that? Yo, what up, Muggs? Nah, there's no privacy. It all ended with fucking 9/11. Mally Joy Boy, what up? Michael Gianos. Well, I'm talking about Warren G. Buffett. He's my biggest fan. He always tells me how great of a trader I am. Yeah, Carlos, it's a lot. It's a lot to digest, but like the problem with like people like us is we're hyper aware of it, so we see the bullshit and everything. You know? Sean. Oh yeah, Mugs, yeah. There was a small one. You know when everything was the purest? Honestly, in the fucking 90s, man. That was like the last that was like the fucking the Renaissance, man. The last golden fucking era. Hey, only ways. I'm not listen, man. It doesn't matter who's better than who. Like, bro, it's us versus the market. It's us versus ourselves, man. Because right now I've been trading like shit for a stretch of time after going on a crazy stretch where I was like, you know, unstoppable. Now all of a sudden I can't get out of my own fucking way. I haven't been able to, at least. I'm moving in the right direction. Like these are my fucking I got some nice funded take profit trader accounts at 2,278 each with almost all of my drawdown. There's 4 of them. I got this eval that was fucking up more. I gave it all back, but I'm still basically at break even with a good amount of drawdown. What else do I have? I got you were there. Bro. Yo, tell us more. Tell us more. Cole Allen, tell us more. Kick. Yeah, early 2000s also. K9, do I? Does a bear shit in the woods? Of course I do. Do I own more than one? Do I want to get more? What the fuck just happened? Is the market turned off? The shit hasn't moved. We'll get some movement for the new hour fuckery. So now, oh, here's my trade days. These are at. I just need. How hard can it be to get like what? What do I need here? $800 on these 3 trade days to pass them. I think I'm on day 4. I don't even know what day I'm on. I don't really care. I just want to get them to 3,000. If I could do it during this session, that'd be great. So that's those. What else do I got here? I got these Lucids. Short for the people. I'm going to put an order probably here and here. Do I want to fuck with my take profit traders right now? Not really. Maybe I'll fuck with these Lucids. I only need $1,000. How hard can it be? How hard can it fucking be? Let's do this. Here. Oh, shit. Oh, my order's fuck. My group's not activated. Here. What the fuck is this? What is this? Do not. This is new. Group strategy confirmed. What the fuck is that? That's new. Cool. I don't ever want to see that again. So this is an interesting spot. We'll see what happens. especially with this new hour fuckery. Bang bang. RCC, yeah, K9, yeah, but I think you need like you need a CC, you need a concealed carry permit. I'm not going to say anything else other than when I got mine, I did not have my Nevada driver's license yet, so I got mine here. They were basically, that's all I'm going to say. I got a Glock and I got a fucking AR. Trey's but Nail, what's up? Trump said I was fast, but I was walking. He said you were faster than Usain Bolt. Texas, man. That's where all my exes live, man. Oh, Nayo, if you X'd, I said, yeah, I don't know. You know what might happen? The next time you log out and then you log back into that prop firm account and you place an order or whatever, it might show up, and then you just could check the box that says never show this again. Because you didn't check the box, it might do that again. But who wants I already know. I don't need, that is my strategy. I don't need Tradevate to tell me what my strategy is. Texas is fucking great. We almost ended up there before we came here. I don't know what it means other than it just basically confirmed what your strategy was. I don't know if it's anything other than that. Probably that's all it is. Just weird. Here we go. 363. Damn, I'm gonna go down 500 ticks if I get filled, and it comes up to the 786. I'm gonna go down $500. Yeah, 500 plus. Should be interesting. I do have all my drawdown though. Maybe I should go with smaller size, but maybe I should not give a fuck. I like it here, Sean. I love it out here in Vegas. I get to play baseball all year round. It's like the best part about being out here, for me personally. You got like I'm constantly like fucking watching this shit. Iran, FM, Arachi arrives in Russia for discussions with Putin. Oh shit, Putin. Talk about a fucking G. This guy. He's such an evil person. Who told you that? Uh-oh. The whole fucking media? He's a fucking guy. All right, so let's see what happens here. Not a great time to be doing this. Better these evals than my fucking take profit trader funded accounts. Oh, I got these too. I forgot to show you these. I got these two funded Mucho Rapido accounts with my funded futures. So far, I'm at $688. Need to get to at least 2,600 to get a payout from these accounts. But they are these accounts. If you're not aware, are they have the potential to be day one payouts. They offer day one payouts if you could get over the buffer. I mean, or to the threshold, and they have daily payouts. And right now they're 32% off with my code 0day J. 32% off. I forgot what it amounts to, but it's not bad. Let me look at. Maybe I should pay attention to the trade I'm in. I need $960. I don't have a profit trigger set on these fucking things. Is this fucking real life? That's what I did. All right. Got my daily profit trigger set. So in case it's really just 100 ticks. How hard can it be to get 100 ticks? But I'm up against. I have a feeling there's gonna be like some fucking dildo fucking candle as we push into the fucking next hour. But whatever, we'll see. I know that if I didn't put the order here at the 707, look how much higher we went. This was the higher day. Look how much higher we are now. We are 130 ticks higher than the previous high day that we were at when I got on the stream. Now 86, 38, 14 and 38. We're basically sitting at 520 tick range. Can we fucking dump? Where's 90 ticks from here? 385. Well, 363 is my entry. Yo, I might get it. I might get it because you know what I could see happening if it does continue to drop. I could see it retesting the previous high a day that we just broke. We'll see though, because you know what else could happen when we get to the new hour. It could just go back up. Look, it's already fucking starting to fuck around. You see, guys. Interesting spot for a bounce. Yeah, this level here, this fucking shit. It was the look. It's just weird how that shit happens. where it bounces, you got like this right here, this right here, this. You see all that? I don't know if you can see it. This. It's like a bunch of shit that happened at that level. And sure enough, we bounce right off of it. For now. Got to remember, it's also new hour fuckery. And it's not that much volume either. Hopefully this is just a retest of the 707 and we dump lower. What did I have at that point? I had like $250. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if I can hold it. That's the other thing too. Can I hold it? Would have been awesome if it came up here and filled this, because then I would have 50 ticks. My average fill would be 63 and 16, 25, whatever, 80 something. I would have had, if I got filled on this up here, in addition to having this already, I would have had, it would have triggered. I would have gotten I would have passed. They would have gotten past. Now look what's happening. Just new hour fuckery. Let's see if there's anything new that just happened. Not yet. Not yet. But I had what? I had 35 ticks. I had $350. I guess I could have trailed it. Corey, what up? Yeah, I did. As soon as I put this order in, when I put this order in, it popped over, and if you rewind, you'll see it. It popped over the screen, and then I checked the box that said, "Never show me this again." What up, Pawn? How do I like tick charts? I don't trade tick charts. I just count in ticks with gold. It's 10 ticks for a point. It's per mini, it's $10 per tick. Per micro, it's $1 per tick. I'm trading. This is the 1 minute candlestick. Vince, what up? I would love a flush on what, gold or the NQ? They were moving together at this point. Was that it? Was that the quick flush? That's like nothing. I had like 30 ticks. I wanted to fucking flash down. The next level that it's gonna fucking run into issues with is right here, and that won't be enough for me. I wanted to fucking retest. I wanted to retest the previous high a day on that first pump, that first bounce. That's what I'm hoping for. I just don't know if it's gonna happen. For all I know, we could keep going higher. And I had chances to fucking lock in gains, and I didn't take them. So we'll see if that comes back to bite me. Probably will. Let's be fucking real. When I don't lock in gains, that happens. If I did lock in gains, it would have kept going down. Right? Right. Come on, baby. How hard can it be to get fucking 90 ticks? What do I need? 95 ticks? 96 ticks? 96 ticks. I mean, we just fucking pumped from, like, here's the previous high a day that we just pushed through. We went up 134 ticks. So let's see. 96 divided by 134. That's 71.6%. That's basically a little bit further than the 707. Well, not really. Not the 707 here, but if I do this, watch this. Let's see. I don't know what's going to happen, but let's go to this low. $363. The 618, even the midline, even the midline would be more than enough. I don't need it to come all the way down to get what I want. I just don't know what's going to happen here. It's just fucking cucking around. We're just cucking around. So, anyway, if anybody in here is not yet hanging out in the best fucking community on these platform streets, here's the link. It's free for now. The DGen Treehouse, the DCA gang, the DGen fam, you know, all that shit. Black magic. I get burned so often trading gold. Fucking, but I love it. Is it any worse than fucking trading the NQ? I think the NQ is still worse. My eyes are so itchy. We've been squeezing for 20 days now. I don't know if I'm going to say your name right, Lamizor, but welcome. And that's a lot of that goes on in here. I'm telling you, that is in the dictionary, the encyclopedia of trading, the trading encyclopedia. It's in there. Yeah, gold. I mean, gold is it's an acquired taste. It's an acquired taste. What's the NQ doing? Yeah, see, look at this fucking shit, bro. This looks like it's flagging to go up another fucking leg. I mean, this is fucking, the NQ was at all, like, there's nothing to the left. This is another new all-time high. It's fucking nuts. This was the previous all-time high, I believe, right here. That was made right, you know, sometime going into an hour before power hour. And then we just fucking beat it by another fucking, what? Almost 100 fucking points. It's fucking wild. Come on, let's go. Flush it. Flush it. Ugh. What I need? 96. 363 minus 96 is 267. We'll see if I get it. Wishful thinking. I think it's going to happen at some point. I just don't know if I'll still be in the trade. TJP. Lots of cucking around here. Black magic. Yeah, it's nuts. It's nuts. It's fucking nuts. It just goes to show you that inflation is a lot worse than they lead us on. Inflation is fucking really bad. Can this go any fucking slower? What's crude doing? Ooh, crude's bouncing. We need crude to just go boing. I also like trading crude. I've been liking trading crude. Last couple of times I traded it, I got my shit pushed in, but that's besides the point. Yeah, pawn. Yeah, because they know, people with, not on a prop firm account, but they know that people are going to try to short the top. So they're just going to keep pushing up. You know how many people got fucked trying to short fucking, what the fuck is that? Avis? Or in the 600s? And what happened? They pushed it to the 800s just to fucking take more people's money. Like gold, we're nowhere near all-time highs anymore. So, but look where we are. If I drew a happy little Fibonacci from that high and this low from today, we are at the 707. I just don't know if it's going to hold here. I like the 707 though. There's so many times where I would wait for the 786 and it would reject off the 707 and not come close to the 786. So we wicked above it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I just don't like that it's not dropping yet. It's almost like they're waiting for the next fucking headline. They're waiting for the next headline. Let's see. Any fucking no. Nothing tomorrow in terms of data. Tuesday you got consumer confidence. Bunch of shit with Japan though. This is like Federal Reserve type shit. That's on Monday. No time. No established time. And then Wednesday we have the federal funds rate, FOMC, all that shit. Wednesday at 2:00. 2:00 and 2:30. Nobody really gives a fuck about Canada's fucking data. Then you got some, UK on Thursday. GDP for the US, PCE, employment, blah, 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 unemployment claims. It's crazy because unemployment claims used to be a red folder event. Now it's an orange folder event. But I still think the market reacts to it. Look, see, it came all the way fucking back. Here's the fucking problem. It's just we're consolidating, basically. But look, watch this. So it rejected. So with this high, we pull back, we rejected up to 786. Now on this fucking from here, on this low, we retraced. Oh, actually no. But I'm sorry, from this high and this low, this was the 7862, I think, or maybe the 707. Let's see. No, it was a 786. Look at that. You see, guys? Look at what happens on these smaller time frames a lot. This is what I fucking wanted. But it's still just not, it's not going. I needed to go further than that. I needed to fucking go through this. Now the 34s are in the fucking way, and it's also this same spot right here. I think it could. Let's see if there's a news. Is there news? Is there news? Iran says fuck you to JD Vance. Look, see, we need the 34s of being little fucking cocksuckers now. We need this to go. We need it to get through this. If it gets through this, then I have a chance. But then it's going to hit this level right here, and the same thing's going to happen. It's going to fucking bounce probably. It's just fucking, having the stones to fucking hold through all that shit. But the sale, what sale? When is it supposed to end? Apex's sale? I think it's still going. 9 days. They extended it for 9 days. 90% off. With code 0DJ. Fuck this code. This code fucking blows. This code is dog shit. The in-house codes are, that's what we need. Come on. Get through this fucking little bullshit. The in-house codes at every prop firm are dog shit. They have bad juju. I'm not saying use my code every time you grab an account with Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day, Bolinox, Lucid, or My Fund the Futures, but use somebody's code other than the in-house codes. There's a bunch of earnings on Wednesday. I'm sure Nayo posted it already. If she hasn't, she probably will soon. Let's see here. Weekly news outlook. Here we go. Boom. Oh shit. Yeah. Visa. I feel like that moves the market. If I do recall correctly. Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, all out. Google, all in the same fucking day. Oh my god. On Wednesday when they have FOMC and all that shit. SoFi in the morning. I don't think that really matters. Chipotle. Dude, this is fucking crazy. Apple on Thursday. Dude. Fucking wow. Wednesday's going to be an insane fucking day. And then on top of that, there's going to be fucking headlines about fucking this Iran shit. Oh, come on, baby. You almost got lower. Get lower. Keep going. Great. No. Fucking piece of shit. Can this go down lower now, or is it just going to push higher? What did I have here? How many ticks did I have here? I had 50 ticks. I had $500. Let's go. Do something cool. Do it for the stream. Who? My code works at Apex. My code works at Apex. Just because I can't buy any evals right now because I'm being transitioned to live doesn't mean my code doesn't work. I didn't go on social media and fucking cry about it and fucking tag, do what everybody else does on Twitter and shit. I'm taking it like a fucking man. I made too much money too quick. I went on such a fucking run with them that my account got flagged to be pushed live. No, my code still fucking works. As of right now, at least. Come on, let's go. Push to the next level. Push down another level. Black magic. I'm transit. Call me 0 Day Jane. I'm transitioning like a man. Soon you'll be addressing me as ma'am. Come on, push lower. Let's go. The next time it's going to do this type of shit is going to be here at this fucking level. Unless it just blows right through it. But I've seen it happen so many times. And I've gotten faked out by it so many times. I just hope this fucking keeps going lower. Stop being a little fucking cuck. Trump has all the cards. Of course he's going to say that. Of course he's going to say that. Are you fucking serious? I could also see this come all the way back up here and then to fuck me, right? And then go all the way down and hit my take profit. I can see that. I've seen it happen so many fucking times. And I get fucking played. Let's go. Stop being a little bitch. Kind of like what happened here. It came all the way back up, and then that fucking candle happened. To today, Junior. God, I'm gonna fall asleep just watching, waiting for this to fucking happen. Like, what the fuck, man? Just do it already. You know what I'm worried about here? You said with Kent, it hasn't been able to get lower. I feel like it's gonna pop up. It's probably gonna push up. What did I tell you? What did I fucking tell you? I hope it doesn't keep going up. I hope it finally fucking blows through down here. I might take profits over here. It's over here now. It's over here now. I've seen this shit. I've fucking seen this movie so many fucking times. And the shit, like, this shit is moving so fucking slow. Come on. Give me a bad headline. Uh-oh. Industrial profit year to date, actual 15.5%, forecast previous 15.2%. Is that going to make gold go up? Oh, give it to me. Come on. Come on, Granny, please. Oh my God, just a little bit more. It needs to get lower than this fucking thing right here. It did clear this for a split second. It needs to get lower than this wick right here. And then it'll go down to the next fucking level and do the same fucking shit. Is that it? That's all I get. Doom Lord. Hell yeah, it is the best fucking code. Don't give back those gains. I love giving back gains. As soon as I give them back, Jono, if I were to fucking lock in gains here, watch me. Watch what's gonna happen. I'm gonna fucking watch me. God, how many streams of mine have you been on? You know what's gonna happen as soon as I let go of this fucking trailing stop. Boom. All right, I'll let go of it here. Now watch in awe as it fucking decides to pop up and take me out. I just don't. I don't want that to happen. Here it comes. Here it comes. Because I know as soon as I get shaken out, it's going to go and hit my take profit. Maybe it won't come back up here. I don't know. It probably will, though, because I just lowered it. Look, look, look. It's fucking amazing. It has a magnet on it. Come on. Oh, there we go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Now we got to worry about this fucking shit right here. I bet it bounces around here. It's probably going to bounce for the first time around here, and then maybe I don't know, man. It might. I'm telling you, it might fucking. My take profit is in the middle of this little fucking zone, this cuck zone. Let me move. Hold on a second. Let me move this out of the way so you can see the candles. There. So my take profit is towards the lower end of it. So I don't know, but here we are. I want it to fucking flash down and fucking take me out. That would be fucking amazing. Yeah, all it is a game. Come on, let's go. All right, here we are at the top of this shit now. That line that I have drawn out here, I don't have it like physically drawn. I just have it like I could place an order there if I wanted to. And look where it look. It's so fucking predictable. Not always, but when it's slow like this and there's not a lot of volume, shit like this happens. I see it all the time. So here at 294, I had 600, I had just under $700. It bounced right off the top of this fucking zone. And look, I don't know if you can see it. You had this fucking wick, the bottom of this candle for whatever reason. Look, I don't know why, but that's where it did it. Oh, you got this here. You got this here. Look. The middle of this shit. All right. Let's see if it pushes lower for me. Why not take some partials? Because every time I take partials or let myself get shaken out, it blows through my take profit. So I'm holding. I don't fucking care. Worst case, it comes all the way back up here, and I get a little something at the end of the day. I'm tired of taking. I'm tired of getting played. So I'm just trying to be. I'm just basically. I'm practicing patience. I'm practicing holding my positions, because how many fucking times anyone who hangs out on my streams knows that I've let myself get shaken out so many fucking times, and then boom, the next fucking candle continues in the direction of the trade I was in, and then eventually my take profit gets hit. Not too long after. So many fucking times. So many times that exact type of thing happening fucked me out of payouts. So I'm just, and of course it could come all the way back up, and I get taken out up here for a very small nominal gain. I'm just tired of it. I'm just tired of it. Look, it came to the bottom of this fucking zone. I'm tired of fucking that shit happening. I'm trying to develop new muscles in my trading, develop new habits. So many times I've gotten fucked as a result. I'll get out of this trade for a win no matter what. I have gains locked in. Not a lot, but if it pushes lower, look, I bet I get fucked. I wouldn't be surprised if I get shaken out, and then it fucking goes down and hits my take profit. I've seen it happen so many times. I'm tired of it. Look, this went up 20 ticks, 20 something ticks. Look, there it goes. Here it comes. It's going to come for my fucking, here it comes. It's finding it's going to find my trailing stop. It's got a magnet on it. Now, if you look, watch where it bounced. If I draw a fucking fib, oh, I have the fib. Look, that's the low. This wick right here, that's the low. What did it bounce off of? Actually, it didn't even get to the 707. It bounced just before the 707. So basically a 618 bounce for the most part. Let's see if it almost got, look, it's just going to keep going. Fucking 30-minute candle fucked me. It couldn't put, look, every fucking time. Don't worry, it'll hit it. It'll take me out every fucking time. If I'm telling you, no joke, now my take profit. If I fucking did get out over here, it would have hit my take profit. Here it goes. Now it's going to drop. Mike, you're absolutely right. I just seen this exact shit happen to me so many times, and it doesn't matter where I could have put this fucking thing up here, it would have hit it. It couldn't just go down another, what did I need? 30 ticks? Not even 30 ticks. One more push down. It bounced off the top of this bullshit. It happens all the time. I did take partials. Well, I didn't take partials. I got shaken out and I made money. Unfortunately, it wasn't what I wanted. And then now what's going to happen is like it comes up here and it's not going to fill me. I don't know. It might push higher. I'm fine with what happened because I'm used to it. I'm doing Kegels for my trades on purpose. But I call this shit all the time. I knew I was going to get fucked out of that. Fizzlid, what up? Yeah, I mean, I could have gotten what was it down? I was in at 63. I had like $700. Now I'm worried it's going to go higher. Fuck this. All I know is if I would have moved my stop down here and ended up with like $500-600, as soon as I did, it would have went lower because that's what happens to me all the time. So risky E. Yeah. Well, look. At least I didn't let it get all the way back to my entry. Now what it's doing is retesting the 707 on the larger time frame. I just hope it goes up to the 786. And then I get filled. And then we might get a nice drop. Another because that wasn't it was a decent sized drop, don't get me wrong. It just might want to expand the range even more to the upside. See, we're back at the 707. If that was, I can tell you one thing, Mike. If that was my take profit trader accounts, my funded take profit trader accounts, I would have fucking been trailing that shit tight the whole way down because it's intraday trailing. I would have taken the $500 or $600 that I had. I would, you know what I mean? I would have been fucking like real tight. But these are evals. I'm trying to pass them, and I wanted the full move. I didn't get it, unfortunately. Simplistic, what's up? What's going on? You know why, dude? Bullhead, Mike. I'm trying to fucking develop that fucking skill or the muscle or the mental toughness to be able to hold for the whole move because it happens I get shaken out so often, trailing tight, and then the move keeps going, and I'm tired. I just I'm trying to. Every day and every way, I'm getting better and better, and that's one of the ways I will get better. I didn't even fucking dinner yet. What I wanted to do was get my take profit hit. I'm telling you, it's gonna find its way down there. I just have a feeling. Is this where it's gonna be? It's rejecting off the same fucking spot. Amazing. I wanted it to hit my take profit, and I wanted to get off and fucking go eat because I haven't eaten yet. Yeah, bullhead. That's what I'm saying, Mike. It had like, bro. I don't know how many streams you've been on with me, or like a lot of times what will happen is I'll let myself get shaken out so early, and if I'm short, it's at the top of the fucking candle. It's at the top of the candle, and it just keeps going down. Or if I'm long, it's at the bottom of the next candle, or the bottom of the candle that I got shaken out of. There's still time on that candle. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? Alfred. Is it? Can we push up higher? So I could get fucking shaken out here? So I get in here. The only thing I'm worried about is if it does push higher. There it is, new high a day. Did it hit it? Did it go? No, it didn't push through yet. There it is, new high a day. How many ticks did we go up? 293. 104 ticks we just bounced. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 minutes. Amazing. Gold is fucking crazy. We basically flagged. You want to see my pole? I'm going to draw my pole right there. Let's give this pole some girth. Let's give my pole some girth. Got the nitric oxide flowing through that motherfucker. And then, no, not a fib. There's the top of the flag and the bottom of the flag. Fucking beautiful. I just wanted it to go a little lower. It is. I just needed 28 more ticks. What's 28 ticks when it moves like that? What's another 28 ticks? This could have easily just dropped through it, bounced off of this bullshit here. It could have easily have fucking kept going down. It would have if I trailed tight and I got shaken out. Without a doubt. Without a doubt. I'm convinced. The issue also is NQ. NQ just keeps making new all-time highs. The next headline's going to be J.D. Vance was walking towards an airplane that might go to Iran, that might go to Pakistan. And then the fucking thing's going to be like, oh, my God, we got to fucking pump it. Oh, so close. Am I not going to get filled? So fucking close. 8 ticks away. What's 8 ticks when we just fucking bounced? Oh, my God. 115. Couldn't give me 8 ticks to fill me. Maybe we will. Oh. All right, let's see. Now what I'm looking for is, well, what's 960 minus 137? 82. I need 83 ticks. 416 minus 83. 333. Yeah, like it's gonna hit that. This could keep going up. Yeah, look. This is what I was worried about. We'll see though. Fuck me. Perfect fucking timing. Let's go. Old man needs to go out right as I got into this trade. Come on. Come on. What the fuck? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on. Go. 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 Come on. This way. This way. This way. This way. Come on. If I don't do that, he will shit on the floor. You could fucking put money on it. Yeah, I think I'm fucked now. I think I'm fucked. I said when I first got on the stream, the range was going to expand. The range was going to fucking expand to the upside, and sure enough, it did. When did I get on? Yeah, so this was the previous high. This was the previous high. And we've expanded the range 200 ticks since I got on. Actually, I'll take you guys with me. So it's just this is like the type of shit I deal with, you know. It couldn't just go down a little bit more for me, you know, or like I could have locked in gains there. And if I would have, it's just a mind fuck. Trading is just a mind fuck. Because if I would have locked in gains a little bit lower, it would have fucking went and continued down to my take profit. Because I didn't, and now I got back in at the 786 that I was waiting on. Now I gave back all the little bit of baby gains that I got. So it's like this fucking, it's such a fucking mind fuck. And like this is the type of shit that could fucking ruin your whole fucking trading session if you let it, you know, if you let it get to you. Especially depending on what else is going on in your life, you know what I mean? External factors. Fuck it. I'm sure that's going to work out in my favor. Not. And then like I'll get fucking annoyed about shit. And then this is where like I get in trouble because I have, you know, I'm still developing my self-control as a fucking human. My emotions. The emotion side of things has been tough, especially recently. We'll see though. We'll see what happens. We're still right around the 786. You know, it just overshot it. Hold on. I gotta feed this guy. Yeah. Down here. $26. 830. 83. Boom. Give that to me. Can I get that? Can I get this? I feel like it's probably gonna like want to retest this flag and then maybe go higher, but can I get this right now? Or is it gonna bounce right before it? Is it gonna bounce right before it? Come on, bitch. Let's go. Pass these fucking evals right now. Right here, right now. Oh my God. Can't make this shit up. Can't make that up. Yeah, bro. There you go. That wasn't so bad, was it? Oh my God, fucking drop. I got to give this guy samples before he starts eating his food. Come on. Let's go. Here you go. Let's go. Dude. Hit that shit. Oh my God. I gotta make it lower, actually. It's not gonna matter. It doesn't matter. Watch this. Watch this. It knows. It fucking knows. Look. It fucking knows. Why aren't you eating, bro? It couldn't just go down 1 or 2 more ticks? Maybe it will here. Come on, dude. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. What did I tell? I'm telling you guys. I'm fucking telling you I get fucked all the time. All the fucking time. I get fucked. All the fucking time. It's amazing how often I get fucked. It couldn't, like, literally. $386. I had $800. I don't understand how I started with 937. It didn't take me out of all of it. Look, it always finds it. It always finds it, guys. I'm not just saying this. I'm not just being dramatic. I am not being dramatic. This happens to me all the fucking time. All the fucking time. You just seen it happen to me twice. Don't worry, it'll take me out of the rest, and then it's going to fucking dump. It's the biggest bunch of bullshit ever. It happens to me all the fucking time. There you go. Yeah, don't worry. It's going to take me out of the rest. It always does. 1 tick away, 2 ticks away, and then I lowered it, but whatever. It wasn't going to hit it anyway. It wasn't going to hit it anyway. Not until after I get taken out. I could have put this up here. I could have put this all the way up here and it wouldn't matter. Yeah, I'm going to move it up. Yeah. Don't worry. It's going to come and take me out there too. There you go. Watch. Where was my take profit? I'm in half of the position now because of this shit. I'm telling you guys, I am not fucking making this shit up. This happens. I'm telling you. 382. Here comes 382. Whoops. 382. It bounced off of this right here, this fucking level. You got to be fucking joking me. And of course, look where I get taken out. I literally got top ticked. I could have put. It doesn't matter where I put this shit. It always finds it. You want more? Now I'm just gonna let this shit fucking ride. And let the fucking this shit, let this shit fucking let the risk settings that I set fucking get hit. Look, there it is. There it is. There's my take profit. Of course. But it had to take, I'm surprised it didn't take me out of all of it. Look, this is what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter what I fucking do. I get fucked no matter what. It went, yeah. I would, all I had, like, I'm telling you, if I had it up here, it would have hit it. If I had it up here before, it would have hit it. Now it's going to hit it. It's going to come up and take me out of the rest now. It's fucking stupid. Every fucking time. Every fucking time. My, I told you. What did I tell you guys? It's the same fucking bullshit every fucking time I trade. Take profit. I get taken out. 2 candles later. Look, third candle. My take profit gets hit. I'm not making this shit up. This is my fucking life. Fucking bullshit. Everybody's seen it enough times. Everybody knows I'm not fucking making it up. Anybody who hangs out with me at all, who's been on my streams at least 3 or 4 times, or even longer, like obviously we got some OGs in here. They see this shit happen to me all the fucking time. And then this is where I get into trouble, because now I'm fucking annoyed. Because again, once again, right after I get shaken out, my take profit gets hit. I should have fucking just not let it go. I should have just let it go and not have a fucking trailing stop. But I wanted to be responsible and fucking trail it to lock in more gains. Look what I get. This is what I get for fucking trying to be responsible instead of just being a full-blown fucking degenerate. All I had to look, 3 candles later, my fucking take profit gets hit. This shit drives me up a fucking wall. The account, all 5 of these accounts are passed. No, don't worry. This is going to get hit. This will get hit too. Always does. Don't worry. Never fucking fails. I always get fucked. And all that means is like, now I got to take more fucking trades. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? I'm putting this fucking, I don't even know. I get fucked all the fucking time. So, like I said, not being dramatic, I'm just telling you guys, this is what happens to me all the fucking time. I haven't looked at the chat because I'm downstairs. I can't scream. Sly Fox, what up? Pamela. Apex doesn't allow gold. No, you can't trade. You can't trade any metals with Apex right now. JP, what up? Yeah, might as well have been talking to the market, not my dog. Reed, what's up? Hey, yo, Amon, what up? Marco. But I tell you guys this shit all the time. I'm not making it up. I'm not fucking exaggerating. I'm not being dramatic. I get fucked all the fucking time. Maybe this will drop lower. Maybe this will fucking flush now with this new hour. I doubt it though. I'll probably get shaken out. I'm not even shaken out. Forget about that. It'll probably come up here and take me out for a loss. I didn't even have my third cup of coffee. I'm not having any more coffee. I didn't have any coffee today until like fucking after 4 o'clock. Can it drop 40 ticks? It could, but will it? Probably not, because I'm fucking. That's what I want to happen. Nope. Fuck me. I'm fucking standing here. I don't think I need that much. No. We'll see. New hour fuckery. Oh, new hour. Is it going to pop here or is it going to drop? Let me put my trailing stop right above this fucking little zone. I'm sure it'll come up here, take me out, and then go lower. Here you go. What'd I tell you guys? Call me fucking Jay Stradamus. It would never. Why would it go? Why would it go down for me? Why would it go down? And all I had to do was just hold right here. It didn't take me out of all of it because I wanted to torture me first. Now it's going to take me out of the rest. It's going to retest the 786 and maybe it drops again. But look, I get fucked all the time. All the fucking time. Oh, or is it not going to fill me? Or is it not going to fill me by 2 ticks? All the fucking time. All I ended up with after all of that was just $291 total. I was literally 2 fucking ticks away. Oh, no, I'm not going to get filled. It's fucking stupid. 3 candles after. Oh, look. I am like the goat. I am the fucking goat. Look. I am the goat of getting taken out right at the top of candles. Look at that. Every fucking time. Every time. Look at that shit go. Now it's going to come all the way down here. Look, it went. You would think they're fucking watching me trade, even though we all know that's not true. Look, it doesn't. I tell you guys, it doesn't matter where I put this shit. It always finds it. Always. What up, DGen? Jessica. Can we see yes? I mean, I thought it was going to eventually get up there. That's up here. Definitely in the cards. Also,
We're at the 6. That we rejected was the 618 from the low of Friday and the high of Wednesday. No, Tuesday, I guess. Wednesday. No, Tuesday. My bad. It's the same fucking shit all the time. All the fucking time. You guys, I tell you guys this shit happens to me all the time, and you got to see it happen to me twice in the same fucking trade in 2 different spots. Top ticked. And my take profit got hit. 3 candles later on this. I would have had 5 funded lucids right there. I mean, I'm still doing fine. You know, I got almost $2,300 of drawdown, and I just need like $650, but fuck, $660. But like, fuck, I had it. Fucking hands in there. What do you want? Am I still using Bookmap? I never used Bookmap. I never used Bookmap once. What up, Tony? Never have I ever. You must have me confused with someone else. This is basically a 786 retest on the larger time frame. But this could push fucking higher and make new highs again. We could just keep grinding up. Here's a new fucking poll. You want to see my poll? Here's my new poll. New and improved poll right here. Let me give you some girth. And another fucking bull flag. Broken to the upside. Basically, something like that. Which means maybe I should cancel this order. But this is what I get. This is what I get for putting in trailing stops. I get fucked here and here. Probably going to get back all my gains after getting filled on this. I don't even know what I want to do. You know what? I'm going to fucking cancel shit. I want to eat. I want to eat. I don't want to eat in front of you guys. I don't want to watch me fucking chewing on food. I try to avoid doing shit like that, but I have to eat. I'm fucking starving. So I'm going to bounce. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe to the channel. Use my code if you got to grab accounts at Apex, Take Proper Trader, Trade Day, Lucid, Bullinox, My Funded Futures, and Trade Day. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Actually, let me cancel that shit. Fuck that. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.